Here is how you can type the divide symbol on the iPhone. Let me explain it in this video, and if you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So, of course, if you are using the actual keyboard on the iPhone and you want to type in the division sign, then there are more ways you can do it actually, but right now you can see that in the spotlight search, when you are on the home screen and swipe down like this, you can quickly perform some calculations in here. So for instance, if I type in 4 plus 6 whatever, 5 plus 6 equals 11, right? So you can perform quick calculations in there. And my point is that if you type in, for example, 678 and you want to perform the division or type in the divide symbol, you can use the slash, right? So you can see we have the /, which I can click on, and then now I can as well see that it also turns it into the calculation where it divided the first number by 6 and gave me this result. So as you can see, you can use the / to make the division sign. So whenever you are typing in the actual keyboard, you can also do it like this. But then we also have this sign, which would also let you technically do it, and not really in this mode in the spotlight search, but a lot of people also use this sign to make the division possible, right? So as you can see, if you tap on the double arrow there, you can see that it doesn't work in here specifically, but in other places it might, right? So that's something which you can also try out if you are using it in a different setting or in a different place. But that's kind of how you can do it, how you can type it. Outside of that, if you are specifically interested in the actual sign where you have the horizontal line, dot at the top and a dot at the bottom, you can always just grab it from the internet. That's how I like to do it. I just, type that in to the Google and I can see that, yeah, it gives me that specifically. This is an image, but if you find it part of the text, you can select it in there and click on copy, and now you can also use it in other places, right? So you can technically paste it in here and also do the calculations, right? So you can technically do it like that. And then now if I would want to make sure that I always have it accessible in my iPhone keyboard, what I would also do is that I would go to the settings, general, and the iPhone keyboard, where I would set up a text replacement, and I would just make sure that if I click on the plus button, the phrase would be the the sign which I essentially just copied. So again, I can come back to the internet, copy the sign and paste it in here as a phrase, and the shortcut for it is going to be, I don't know, the divide sign like this. And essentially I can always type in the divide sign like this without any space between, and it will turn it into the division symbol. So let's say that I would want to type that in again. I'm going to type in 50, then the divide sign, right? And it's going to turn it into this division sign. So you can see that you can save it into the keyboard as such, and that would also make sense if you always need to use it. So I hope it helps. That's what I wanted to explain. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below, and I'll see you later.